Hey guys, Sharon here from Bryce Tubbs training program. Hey, I just wanted to jump on just for a couple of minutes and answer a question that I got asked today. So the question was, um, I don't have much bookkeeping experience. What do I tell my new clients, right? So who are asking about my experience? My answer to that is all of your experience is transferable. Any experience that you gain on a job, whether it's specifically in accounting, bookkeeping, nursing, being a doctor, being a lawyer, it doesn't really matter. There are certain skills that you learn within each job that are transferable, even in your personal life. Things that you learn are transferable and you can use them on your job. What the word transferable basically means is that, you've experienced some things, and although it doesn't specifically relate to the exact situation, it still answers a lot of questions. Right, so there are a set of skills that can be utilized in a variety of careers. So whether you're looking to progress your career in accounting or you're looking to move into a totally different industry, it really doesn't matter. So when you get asked the question about, so tell me a little bit about your bookkeeping background, think about the skills that's necessary or the things that you're going to do as a bookkeeper. So one of the items that you're going to do as a bookkeeper is you're going to track debits and you're going to track credits for each of your accounts. So think back on in your personal life. Do you have a checkbook? Do you record your checks in? Do you record your checks out? Do you record money coming in? Do you record money going out? So you have this experience that you can say yes. So I've done bookkeeping. I've done, debits and credits. I've done cash in and cash out. Have you maintained financial statements for accuracy? Well, don't you check your bank account? Don't you check your bank statement? Don't you check your credit card statements when they come in? And so, if there are things on those statements that you don't recognize, you go back to like receipts and you verify, oh, yeah, I did do this. Oh, yeah, this money actually came in. Different things that you experience in your life are transferable. You never need to say that in job XYZ, I did ABC. You need to bring the skills out and separate them from the job. Here's another one. Have you ever filed your personal tax returns? So there's a certain amount of information that you need to pull together in order to do your tax returns. So yes, I have done tax returns. Yes, I've pulled together documents to complete tax returns. I may not have done all the corporate tax returns, but most of the small businesses that you do, they're not C Corps or S Corps. They're mostly LLCs or they're mostly DBAs. Therefore, it's just a matter of just pulling forward some statements, pulling out the bank reconciliations, pulling out financial statements and so forth. So it's not really, really difficult. So yes, you have done tax returns. Here's another one for you. Um, do you maintain and monitor financial records? The answer again is yes. Go back to your personal life. Have you had to do your checkbooks, right? Have you had to maintain your records for all of the financial statements or, excuse me, all of the credit card statements? Even let's go back to on your job. So let's say that you're an engineer and don't you get bills as an engineer? Don't you have to forward it to the accounting department? Doesn't it need to be properly recorded? Doesn't it need to be properly approved? Don't you need to verify that, yes, this expense is correct? So, yes, you do have experience maintaining and monitoring financial information. If you've used QuickBooks at all, even in your personal life, or if you've touched it, or if you've touched on spreadsheets or any other kind of accounting software, this all experience is transferable. Again, you never need to say specifically, I did it on job XYZ. All you need to say is, you know what? I have experience working anywhere from cash to financial statements. I've maintained cash records, I've maintained payable records, I've done reconciliations, I've generated financial statements. That's all you really need to tell them about. If they ask specifically, tell me about a time that you've done X, Y, and Z, well, then you can really go into the details of when you did it in your personal life. Or if you're maintaining your books for your business, that's also another way of telling them, yes, this is where I've done it. Again, you don't need to be specific and say, I've done it for XYZ company or I've done it for myself. Focus on the skills that are transferable. That's it for today. I'll talk to you again.